Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the rear door on Mercedes W163 that will cover all engines. Stay with us to see how we're going to do that, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for one new video every day. Well, first thing, we need to unhook the battery. So with a 10mm wrench or a socket, you need to remove the positive cable first, and then you need to remove the negative as well. Okay, in order to remove the rear door, now you need a 6mm Allen wrench and you need to open the door. Once you open the door, right here with that 6mm Allen wrench, that bolt, we need to remove it. Okay, right there, guys. Usually those have a thread walk on them sometimes, so it's good to apply some thread walk. And now what you need to do, you need to close the door all the way like that. Okay, and once you close the door, guys, you come on this side, that's where the wire is. So now if you push down right there and you pry it open, okay, you can see those two little notches, that's where they go right here and they get stuck. So the wiring harness for the door, that's all you need to do in order to remove the whole door assembly. And now you're going to need a 13mm socket and remove the two bolts. Okay, on the bottom hinge right here. And then we have two more on the top, and you need to be holding the door. Okay, right there. Okay, that's it. And now, if you hold the door like that, and one person needs to open it, and you can just go ahead and pull it out. Okay, just like that. That's how you remove it. Pretty simple procedure. Thank you for watching. We have the video how to remove the front door as well. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.